How do funding disparities impact access to quality education for Black children? Breaking news regarding education access. The question many are asking today is, how do funding disparities affect Black children's education? This topic is more relevant than ever, especially as we see ongoing discussions about educational equity. Just this week, reports highlighted how funding cuts impact schools serving Black communities. Funding disparities create significant barriers for Black children in accessing quality education. Many Black students attend schools that depend heavily on federal funding, especially in states like California. When federal education funds face cuts or threats, these schools lose critical resources, which can widen existing opportunity gaps in academic achievement, such as reading and math proficiency. This situation risks extending educational inequities for decades into the future. Because schools with large Black student populations often have fewer financial resources, they struggle to provide the same level of educational materials, experienced teachers, extracurricular programs, and support services as better-funded schools. This lack of resources limits the learning environment and opportunities available to Black children, contributing to persistent achievement gaps. In addition, early childhood programs like Head Start, which provide education, health care, nutrition, and parental support, have been shown to reduce risks associated with violence and improve long-term outcomes for Black youth. However, limited access to such programs due to funding shortages further restricts educational and social opportunities for low-income Black families. Advocates emphasize the need for active community engagement to protect and increase funding for schools serving Black students. Local leaders and policymakers are urged to prioritize equity in funding decisions to ensure all children have access to the resources necessary for academic success. Disparities in education funding directly affect the quality of schooling available to Black children, perpetuating achievement gaps and limiting their future opportunities. Addressing these funding inequalities is essential to improving educational outcomes and supporting the well-being of Black students and their communities.